Orange, it sounds like chocolate. Don't ask me how. I saw it on Facebook, or was it Twitter? Orange, it's not a fruit, it's a rich dessert, just like chocolate. Cocoa beans, orange seeds, they all look the same. Just trust me. Why trust me? 'Cause I saw it on Facebook. Orange, it sounds like chocolate. Don't ask me how. I saw it on Twitter or Facebook. I was on Facebook the other day, scrolling through my reels, and I said, hey, this orange looks like chocolate. So I went to Twitter to tweet about it, and I guess it just went viral, 'cause orange, it sounds like chocolate. Don't ask me why that is. I saw it on Facebook, or was it Twitter? You gotta keep an eye in the metaverse of these AI generated fields. It is getting pretty crazy, 'cause orange shouldn't look like chocolate. Don't ask me why that is. It's just Facebook or the metaverse. Thank you for listening, guys. Thank you.